No, some of them it's automated. It's actually automated. But I'll check with that one because it might not be.
Seriously?
It hit me with stones.
Watch out, stones. Bloody idiot. He wants booking. Honestly.
I'll have it on the dash cam.
Seriously, with a car like that, what they hide
Yeah.
the car for the day?
Bodies hit the floor. The bodies hit the
What the fuck's all these bits? I said, you like the bits though, didn't you? He went, what, there's 2 for you? No. I said, no, you did. You remember when you... Fucking hell.
Lewis, what do you want? Right, I'm moving.
Fucking hell. Fuck you, let me record that one.
Oh, shit. Fucking.
What the fuck are you doing?
So where are you going?
Look that.
See, one of the cars has been cut
Easily.
like that one coming
See.
out. I think it is.
Oh, lovely.
Ellen. Oh, good God.
It's a
no.
good job you spotted that.
What an idiot. So he's come up here and done a U-turn.
Yeah. Lucky saying sorry.
Right.
Yeah.
Come on, what are you bloody doing? Let you speed up. Oh, you bloody fool.
Oh, this guy is just. He's going to the petrol station.
Oh, you twat.
Oh my. Unless he's just lost and he don't know where the petrol station
No,
is.
he's
What's this
clueless.
way?
To the car park so we could smoke weed together. No, please. Push past her. Here's an ingredient for you. Rolling papers. And dirt weed. Guys, we have a huge investigation.